Just north of Madison, we have a major flash flood and a road washout here. This is just to the south of Conway, New Hampshire. Flash flood warning continues for the next several hours, but you can see all the debris here. Big mud flow, debris flow with rocks blocking the road. This is Highway 113, just to the south of Conway. And all of this flow is going down into a home there. There are vehicles buried in feet of dirt and rock. And you can look up on Highway 113 here, and the road is completely washed out. Rainfall, heavy rainfall continues out here, but look at the force of the water. Large rocks, stones, classic flash flood here with the debris flow that happened just to the south of Conway, and all of that is heading down toward these homes that are along the creeks. The Saco River continues to rise as well off of Mount Washington and off of the White Mountains. There's a lot more rain that fell up there with some orographic lift, a ton of moisture out here, and this is what 3 inches in 1 hour will do for you. 3 inches of rainfall with the warm rain processes here, a very tropical air mass as well. And you can see that the water just cut right down Highway 113 here, leaving all of these rocks and debris over the road and closing it down as well. This is why you want to stay indoors, stay off these dangerous roads, especially the flood-prone ones here, because you can see how this could turn into a life-threatening situation very, very fast. Very heavy rain continues here in Merrimack, New Hampshire, just south of Manchester. Flash flood warnings are in effect. This area was under a tornado warning earlier. That storm was rotating pretty rapidly as it approached the Hollis, New Hampshire area. And when those storms are rotating, they're producing even more prolific rainfall rates. Rainfall rates could even exceed 3 inches per hour today here across southern New England, and that's why the Weather Prediction Center has a moderate risk for excessive rainfall across this area, and there is a life-threatening tag for the flash flooding from Manchester up to Concord off to the north. And some of that mountainous terrain, too, could contribute to very rapid flows with the flash flooding. And then as we go through the afternoon and evening tonight, we're going to transition from flash flooding to more of a river flooding situation, and a very dangerous day. So it's very important to stay tuned to those green boxes, the flash flood warnings today. Watch out also for those flash flood emergencies, and be sure to heed those evacuation orders from local officials.